Mama.
Mama.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Person behind, he's from Blue Dart. So the first batch of couriers is gone out. So he called us a little while ago, and what we saw, all the painting, those are all one by one. And he said it's going to be a one by one size as I mentioned. So I got all of them.
Mama. ठीक है.
Based on that, I've given it to him. You saw the stack. Those are all the one by ones which we have, or should I say, Shraddha has made and we have packed.
Yeah.
So the couriers are on the way. Even during the lockdown, yes, courier service is functioning. As you can see, the person is right here. So the courier will come to you. Orders. And honestly, pata hai, yesterday, only thing I don't remember doing anything except replying to people. Because she couldn't handle it, she had to do all the paintings and all.
And Bichara Srujan was packing. Srujan and Rohit were packing.
We were packing. We packed. It took a very long time to do the packing, first things. And how many messages, yaar, loved it. Loved the response. अभी भी बहुत लोगों को respond करना बाकी है. As I think it will take the entire
She's
day.
responding. I'm painting. These people are packing.
What a busy day. What do you say about the?
Yesterday?
मेरा
कमर अभी भी अटकता है.
बेचारा बच्चा.
Dude, you know the excitement we have with our first shipment going. Okay, in Hyderabad it was delivered a couple already.
Yeah.
But outside Hyderabad, first shipment is out.
What's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Hi.
You know what size of a canvas is this, Shraddha?
5 by 5. 5 by 5.
That's how big a 5 by 5 canvas is.
The
Basically.
entire Bergman was behind that. रोहित का सिर्फ
Tuck it, suck.
शक्ल दिख रहा. श्रद्धा is totally covered. आएगी तो cover दिखा भी नहीं. This is May and Jan, Feb, March, April, May. Rohit did not work.
I forgot that I have this uniform as
And,
well. You know.
All these past 5 months, I used to head out to office.
Honestly,
I used to
okay,
go
for
to
the
work.
people who don't know,
And
wait. For the people who don't know, I'm actually a pilot. I work with Alliance Air, which is Air India basically. And it's been 5 months since my license has been with the government. It's gone for an endorsement, and because of the current situation, it still hasn't come. So without my license, I still can't fly. I still don't have my license. So where am I headed wearing this uniform like this? Is I'm going to the simulator. So my office guys, they called me up. Simulator for the aircraft I fly is only in Hyderabad for all over India. People from all over India have to come here for the simulator. So what is a simulator? I'll show you in a bit. So every pilot has to do their checks once in every 6 months. So somebody else was having their check today, and you always need 2 pilots to fly an aircraft. So the check happens for 2 people. So the other people from outside Hyderabad, they couldn't make it to Hyderabad. So they called me to give a support to the other person. So today, tomorrow, day after, 3 days, I'm going to the simulator. And because it's been like 5 months since I didn't fly, it's actually a good refresher for me as well for when my license
in the
comes back.
past 5 months he did not work, and I used to go to work, and that gave jealousy inside me. It grew a lot inside me, and now he's going to work and I can sit and play and relax.
3 days. Okay, but okay, I love my work. Okay, I don't find any work which is better than this. I need to start at 10:30. It is 10:25, so I have another 5 minutes. Well, this is our cockpit. This is called the control column. You pull this towards you, the aircraft goes up, pushes down that way. It'll go down, turn it either way. And these are the power levers. This is for the throttle for the left engine, right engine, and this supplies fuel. And all this is basically the graphics which we have. This is the panels. And that is my cockpit, that is my aircraft. And oh boy, it was fun today. After a very long time, I'm back in this aircraft. There's something really bad which has happened a few days ago, and I wanted to actually share this in public about what exactly has happened. See, the people who don't like you, obviously, not everybody in this world will like you. So, people are like, hey, come and do something like that. That is okay. People like that that are fine, you can just ignore them. But there are other types of people which you absolutely have to actually, I have no other words, but people like that shouldn't exist on this planet. So this person, what we are going to talk about, is actually approached us as a well-wisher. Okay, so all of you guys know that we just started this new business of Shraddha, and he's contacted us. A lot of people, in fact, have contacted us saying that they'll help us with the making of the website and the application or whatever for that. So this person was one among them, and he started messaging me and Shraddha asking that he'll help us out making the website. And after a couple of days, he started messaging Shraddha, asking her for pictures. Let's keep this our secret. Come on, guys, that is absolute cheap mentality. What kind of a human is capable of doing something of that sort?
ఒక్క నిమిషం మనం కెమెరాకి ₹5 యాక్టింగ్ చేద్దాం. మళ్ళీ ఏడు
And you know what? AC actually leak हुआ है. सृजन का reaction देखना था.
Obviously we couldn't capture that on camera because वो बहुत late night हुआ था ना. And when that happened, the immediate reaction, my immediate word I said was "हममा पैसे बच गए." And yes, and we were actually getting a lot of messages in the last video, and also a lot of direct DMs on Instagram saying that what has been decided about the marriage. So it is a lockdown right now, but
Marriage is on.
State government has released some guidelines saying that 40 people are allowed to attend a wedding. So it's just going to be strictly our family and Sharanya's family.
In fact, it's going to be less than 40. That's what we've decided.
Yes. Why risk it? So this actually 40 people are including with the caterers, with the pujaris, with photographers, and with the decorators. We are getting the decoration done because obviously wedding hai. Obviously we cannot invite.
Not a very, very big.
Yeah, just for our
happiness.
And I've actually spoken to our photographer as well. I will share the live streaming link in the video description whenever that's going to start, or if possible we will do a live streaming from our channel as well. So
that is still not decided, but we'll do something for that.
Because obviously you guys, if you guys are interested, if any one of you are interested, you can watch the functions or whenever it's going to happen. Yeah, the wedding is on.
It's very humid today. बहुत
बारिश हुआ, but we are sweating a lot.
अभी just AC on के room.
So Sharanya is going to come to the community on 18th itself, because obviously we are not getting done anything in the function hall. All function halls, everything, all reception, sangeet have been postponed, or let's see what will happen in the future. But
अभी के लिए शादी, small tiny family event.
Yes.
Again, require all your blessings. Would love that. And
don't get me wrong, but I'm just strictly want to say this. We have actually taken police permission, MRO's permission and all. But I just asking for a humble request that few of you guys, a few of our subscribers, they actually know our Garka location as well. It's just a humble request that please don't come
on that day,
because
again, we'll share the
live link.
You can watch it there. I know all of us.
I'm truly sad saying that I don't come home, because
but again, situation is such.
Next time, whatever it is, we'll actually plan, or we'll have a small kind of a party where, if it's possible, we'll do
invite the subscribers, right?
Yeah, we'll do something of that sort when the situation eases down. But right now, it's only going to be 40 members. The worst thing is, even our friends are not coming. Even they are going to watch the entire function, the events with the same link which I'm going to provide you guys. So yeah.
Yes, and remember what I told you guys, or told that person in this video. Even Srujan doesn't know it. He'll only know it while I'm editing it. But remember, you have to be a nice person in life to grow. Humble request: be genuine to yourself. Be honest, guys. It is very important to grow in life. Hatred doesn't get you anything. Spread love. And that is the only thing. Educate yourself, spread love. That's all. See you in the next vlog. Bye.
Oh, wait. మనం మాట్లాడతాం నేను నొక్కరా ఎక్కర అందరితో మాట్లాడితే వాళ్ళు మనకి రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారు. సో yesterday night I sold my old laptop, not the one which we use as our primary editing laptop, but my office laptop, and that's the new laptop is going to come tomorrow. So deliveries are open, Amazon is open, lucky. So the new laptop is going to come tomorrow, so probably the next video will be unboxing a new Lappy.
Talking about
Secondary
deliveries. Secondary Lappy. Talking about deliveries, even our business is running. Even we are shipping out products, so if you have anything, we will definitely deliver it to you. Only thing is,
Slightly slow.
It will not be obviously a next day delivery because it's slightly larger, and we're trying to provide you whatever is possible at the cheapest possible rates. So obviously we cannot give you next day delivery. We are not as big a company as Amazon, but anywhere in India or for that matter anywhere in the world, we can ship Shraddha's paintings. But one small thing is between the 15th of May to the 25th, she will not be doing paintings because of the Shadi Ghar pe. So if you have any orders, we are ready to take your orders, but she'll start doing the paintings after the 26th. Before that, jo bhi karna hai, Shraddha is in a hurry to finish those, and we'll be shipping them out as soon as possible as well. Few of the paintings have already been out, and Pan India shipping is there for sure. Bye, see you in the next vlog.
Bye, this guy so
Yeah, he wants to go out. घर के बाहर घूमना है उसको.
done.
Bye guys, love you, take care.
Peace.